Namaskar. We would like to welcome you all on behalf of Independent Research Ethics Society, AYUSH Samriddhi International Webinar Series at milestone of 2839. Today we are celebrating World Techno Day. Though Techno Day is meant for something else, but as we are relating our AYUSH, our health to technology, so a new subject, artificial intelligence in healthcare. स्वास्थ्य सेवा में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। मैं सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को YouTube के दर्शकों को नमस्कार करता हूं, मेरे साथी निशांत जी को नमस्कार करता हूं, और एक ही बात दिमाग में आती है इस प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ कि आज हम लोगों का काम, जैसे किसी ने कहा है कि मनुष्य अपना पूरा दिमाग यूज नहीं कर पाता, अप्लाई नहीं कर पाता। डेफिनेटली ये बात बिल्कुल सही है। कुछ परसेंटेज में ही हम दिमाग का उपयोग कर सकते हैं, पूरा उपयोग करना विद्वानों के भी बस में नहीं रहा है। सो व्हाट इज एआई? इन कंप्यूटर साइंस it is called machine intelligence. What is that? Intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. So artificial intelligence is used to describe machines that mimic cognitive functions that human associate with other human minds. Learning, problem solving, these are the common factors. So if we talk about the terminology of AI, so algorithm, number one, machine learning. So algorithm is a set of ambiguous instructions that a mechanical computer can execute. This is a set of unambiguous, means unbiased. It is just knowledge. Many AI algorithms are capable of learning from data and can themselves write other algorithms. Just we are getting prompts from ChatGPT, PPT from text, voice from text, everything we are getting now. Machine learning, it's an applicable application subfield of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experiences without being explicitly programmed. What program was there, that is a separate issue. But machine is also learning from the feedback of customer from the relation or context with the customer or consumers. Neural networks, just surprising, artificial neural networks are computing systems vaguely inspired by the biological neural networks and nodes called artificial neurons. Just see the level of AI without neurons, how intelligence can be done. That is also right. So each connection, like synapses in a biological brain, can transmit a signal from one artificial neuron to another, just like us in our body. Neurotransmitter chemicals can transfer these signals to one neuron to another. Data mining. It is the practice of examining large pre-existing database in order to generate new information. Cloud technology, everything we know. So weak AI, strong AI. And super intelligence. How much type? Generally 3. Weak AI means narrow AI, non-sentient machine intelligence, typically focused on narrow task. These are not multitasker. These are focused to cater the need of any organization. Strong AI, artificial general intelligence, is that machine has the ability to apply intelligence to any problem rather than just one specific problem, typically meaning at least one as smart as typical human. That is strong AI. Super intelligence. Artificial intelligence far surpassing the that of the brightest and most gifted human minds. Due to recursive self-improvement, superintelligence is expected to be a rapid outcome of creating artificial AGI. Just see, we are expecting this super uh, power from the artificial intelligence. Just see, driverless cars are in the market. Now these robots are picking, ripening tomato. This is also by artificial uh, this intelligence. In factories, robots are working. Japan ranked fourth in the world. 303 robots were installed per 10,000 employees in manufacturing industry. That was the condition of 2016. Now this is 2025. In 9 years, definitely there will be 20% of employees in health around the globe. If we talk about timeline of AI in health, in 1955, term coined by John McCarthy, founded as an academic discipline in 1956 in US. 1980s to 1990s, growth of microcomputer and new level of network connectivity. AI systems in healthcare was designed to accommodate the absence of perfect data and build on the expertise of the physicians. Then, 1960 to 70 produced first problem solving program expert system known as Dendral, assisting to identifying bacteria and recommending antibiotics. This program was designed in between 1960 to 70. And 2019 and 10 to 19, genomic sequencing databases, AI in electronic health record systems, natural language processing, and computer vision, robot assisted surgery, etc. So, everywhere, patient facing, telehealth, doctor facing, telemedicine, lifestyle management, everywhere AI can be implemented and being implemented. No longer science fiction, AI is transforming healthcare, training, research, end of life care, treatment, decision making, diagnosis, early detection, keeping well. Means you can understand the importance of AI, keeping well. Now this is wellness. This is era of wellness. Because due to our wrong lifestyle, we are bound to keep the principles in mind of wellness, Swastha Vratta in Ayurveda, but artificial intelligence can remind you those principles in different ways. So health trackers are there. Pedometer, BP meter, glucose meter, tools. So many keeping well equipments are there. Medical chatbots can offer relevant high quality information, reassurance, answers, and ways of thinking about the situation related to human behavior. So, early detection. For early detection, also, if data is fed in this program or early question algorithm, so definitely 99% accuracy can be obtained after analysis by artificial intelligence for early detection of the disease. Using AI for digital retinopathy screening will allow non-clinicians to be trained on retinal imaging, obtaining interpretation of the images within minutes and thus giving patient instant feedback. Just see the limitation. Just see the approach of AI. Diagnosis. Medical imaging is there, IBM Watson for health. So many healthcare organizations are dependent on these medical imaging devices, as we all know. The AI train a convolutional neural network, CNN, using a data set of 1,29,450 clinical images to classify a type of cancer. Just see, just see. Artificial intelligence, the level of artificial intelligence, 1,29,450 clinical images it takes to classify a type of cancer. Decision making. So many softwares are there in IOSH also, in anipathy. In anipathy now softwares have been developed to compare for differential diagnosis, for comparison, for keeping clinical data, for decision making, analysis of clinical data with prediction, health prediction, and the problem. In today's world, health emergencies are numerous and medical personnel are limited. This study has designed a consciousness index to substitute the factor by manpower and, and improve the classification accuracy by applying machine learning algorithm. Just see. Treatment. For designing treatment, this is also necessary after decision making. Precision medicine in treatment, maybe surgery. If it is surgery, then definitely robotics are there. Prevention, personalization, precision, genetics and genomics look for mutations and links to diseases from the information in DNA. With the help of AI, body scan, body scan spot cancer and vascular diseases early and predict the health issue people might face based on their genetics. So these genomics technology, biotechnology, wearable sensors, or AI are gradually leading to three major directions. Number one, making patient the point of care, created a vast amount of data that require advanced analytics. And three, the made the foundation of precision medicine. Means beyond the level of human intelligence, now we are going to be dependent on artificial intelligence, which is much better than our brain. It has to be accepted. End of life care. We are living much longer than previous generation. And as we approach the end of life, we are dying in different and sober way from condition like dementia, heart failure, or osteoporosis. It is also a phase of life that is often plagued by loneliness. What is that? Jaravastha shirate iti shariram. Ayurveda has classified has given the definition of Jaravastha means geriatrics. So AI have conversation and other social interaction with people to keep aging mind sharp. Just see the robot, small robot for elderly person. Nobody is there. Alexa with me at present also. So they are the companion of life. So medication management, improving client adherence, National Institute of Health. National Institute of Health have created AI Cure app to monitor the use of medication by a patient. Smartphones webcam is partnered with AI to autonomously confirm that patients are taking their prescriptions and help them manage their condition. Just see how much approaches can be administered or developed for the patient. Research. In research, right from data analysis, SPSS, everything, is dependent on AI from so many years. So, several machine learning methods such as neural networks support vector machines, random forest in such common multifactorial disease. It is also very necessary in training. It is necessary to make now presentation, everything, text to voice, voice to text, summary, AI robot assisted surgery. Robots have been used in medicine for more than 30 years. Surgical robots that can either add a human surgeon or execute operation by themselves. They are also used in hospital and labs for repetitive tasks, in rehabilitation, physical therapy, and in support of those with long-term condition or chronic condition. So, this is the AI robot assisted surgery also and support also. Role of AI in public health. So, role of AI in water treatment, role of AI in screening of the patients by app, role of AI in epidemic predictions, role of AI in disease surveillance. Artificial intelligence and public health has so many opportunity to incorporate, implement, and execute AI in that. AI technology could, this is the World Medical Journal Water and Waste Digest. AI technology could improve water treatment monitoring, safeguard public health. Research technology, a research showing AI may help diagnose tuberculosis in remote areas. Remote areas, just see. That has been awarded Margulis Award. Role of AI in disease surveillance. A study has already been done. Next generation public health surveillance will be governed by AI, as we all know. Community input will be there. Database will be created by community input, by social media, internet, mobile, whatever it may be. And then it will be reviewed to notify contributor. Informal sources will be assessed by AI and then post to public. Next generation automated healthcare data and informal sources, community engagement, and artificial intelligence. So, this is the future of our AI. A syndrome definition validation approach for Zika virus. This is also Guardian, geographic utilization of artificial intelligence in real time for disease identification and alert notification. This long name is shortened by Guardian, our guardian, like our guardian. Geographic utilization of artificial intelligence in real time for disease identification and alert notification. Acceptance and scope of AI involved. Definitely, accepts are there. Acceptance is there. Global summit was organized. Countries with AI in its national strategies. Just see. So many countries now have accepted this. Consumer worldwide are open to receiving AI-enabled healthcare. Willing 54%, unwilling 38%. They are happy with conventional therapy. Investment, so many. It will be dollar 18 $18,120 million at the end of 25, and say in dollar 150 billion will be saved in healthcare cost annually by 2026 in US only. Researches, China, according to times higher education in the period between 4 years of 11 to 15. China published over 41,000 papers on AI. This is the news of 2011 and 15 between. USA between 2011 and 15, 25,500 papers means behind China. Japan 11,700 papers. So impact factor of such researches in AI by the Switzerland, Singapore, Hong Kong, impact factor is also given. Artificial intelligence for universal health coverage. So, education, UNESCO study show trained teachers are in short supply in many countries. Artificial intelligence for education can fill some gap. Physical education is physical education if anybody explains and describes in front of us. But then also, AI has taken this role also. So, this is my preamble for this. Now, I would like to talk Nishant ji, Dr. Nishant Shukla ji. Are you here? In summary, I would like to summarize my talk, whatever I have given. List of companies using AI in healthcare. iCarbon, Babylon Health, Yetu Technology, Carband, Big Food Biomedical, Pager, Jabra Medical Vision, Your MD, Enlintic Incorporation. Application of AI in healthcare, if we summarize our talk. Number one, disease identification or diagnosis. Very useful because just minute observation of AI can help in healthcare better than human mind, definitely. Personalized treatment. This is the aim and motto of Ayurveda also. We individually treat patient. We don't treat the disease, we treat the patient. So this is difference between our therapy and generally other therapy. So personalized treatment right from the Dincharya, Ritucharya, Ratricharya means day regime, night regime, seasonal regime, whatever we can say in any language, but that will be useful for the patient. Monitoring and I quote one example in my this previous lecture that sensors are there that you have taken medicine or not, that can also be recorded and communicated to the central server of doctor. Drug discovery and manufacturing. Right from drug discovery in R&D to manufacturing, now we are observing extensive role of AI. Without AI has really supported human mind like anything because they have stopped thinking on the basis of execution of AI in R&D also, in manufacturing also. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery I have repeated again and again, but to summarize, robotic surgery is now available in, I hope, all the pathy means orthopedic, in eye surgery, in abdominal surgery, general surgery. Every surgery now has robotic surgery. Clinical trial research, doing repetitive jobs. Generally, previously, we were deploying persons to control these things, repetitive jobs, but now, like right from the reservation or anything, cancellation, reservation, health care, prescription, registration, everything is now on AI basis. And treatment design even. Disease identification I have explained already. Imaging, computer algorithm already there. Data is analyzed, brain, urine, tissue, whatever this personalized medicine or behavioral modification means in behavior, the patient behavior shabd is also derived from our Bihar, Ahar, Bihar, behavior. English persons have definitely stolen our so many words and modified. So microbiosensors and devices with more sophisticated health measurement and remote monitoring capabilities will provide another dulge of data that can be used to help facilitate R&D and treatment efficacy. This will be personalized. So after 400 or 500 of birth of allopathy, now they are thinking for personalized medicine what we have communicated right from 5,000 years before. Discovery, drug discovery, manufacturing, so many use. Application of artificial intelligence in healthcare are numerous, numerous. Right from R&D equipment, transferring equipment, logistic equipment, everything can be automatic now. So to make it automatic, this AI is the key backbone of the plan. So many of the top pharmaceutical companies have only relatively recent made serious effort recently within these 10 years, 10 or 15 years. AB is a company, IBM, health applications are there. Robotic surgery generally is being considered safe, so because the chances of error are minimal, but the planning is done by human being. Then also the robot or the AI enhance that planning and do it separately, autonomously. In future, we will put entire life in robots freely. Clinical trial research, for example, monitoring biological and other signals for any sign of harm or death to participant means ADR. If any new molecule is given to patient, biosensor will be accommodated on that body and they will inform the doctor if any adverse reaction will be. Doing repetitive job, analyzing test, X-ray, CT scan, data entry, and other tasks can all be done faster and more accurately by robots. Just see, there will not be any need to understand the report after few years, and we will lose our brain's efficacy in front of AI by combating with it, like we have lost the memory of Pahada tables. Now ask anybody regarding tables taught in first or second class. Nobody is memorizing. In our age, that were memorized till the end of the life. So cardiologists, radiologists in the future should only look at the most complicated cases where human supervision is useful, Otherwise, everything will be done by AI and report will also be made by AI. Treatment design. Artificial intelligence systems have been created to analyze data, notes, and reports from patient file, external research and clinical expertise to help select the correct individually customized treatment path. This is the compounder of doctor. Previously, senior compounder were advising doctor to support his decisions like that. It is the best compounder of a doctor assistant, you can say, doctor's assistant, to assign the patient to doctors based on the decision availability of the doctor. Decision practice. Decision practice. Every medical college has different departments, and though patient is asking for a doctor, that is a separate issue. If nobody is asking, the same will be transferred to the relevant department by AI decision. So, thank you. Thank you very much for patient hearing. I hope YouTube viewers will understand the importance of AI in healthcare. In next series also, we will describe and we will invite experts of AI to guide us that where the AI in AYUSH. AYUSH also the companion or contemporary, or we are not competitor, we are contemporary, complementary to any other pathy of the life-saving treatment. Thank you. Thank you very much. All YouTube viewers, thank you. Nishant ji, Dr. Nishant Shukla ji,